What's up guys, are you looking for the best electric cooktop? In this video, we will look at some of the best electric cooktops on the market. So let's get started. Number 1. GE Profile 30-inch Cooktop. The GE Profile 30-inch built-in touch control induction cooktop is a top-notch choice for culinary enthusiasts and home chefs. The GE Profile 30-inch cooktop features 4 induction cooking zones, providing you with ample space for all your culinary creations. Induction cooking is known for its rapid, precise heating capabilities, making it an excellent choice for busy kitchens. What sets it apart is the cool-to-the-touch surface, which not only enhances safety but also simplifies the post-cooking cleanup process. No more worries about accidental burns or stubborn, hard-to-remove stains. Managing your cooking experience has never been easier. The digital touch controls on this cooktop allow you to precisely adjust the heat levels with a simple swipe or tap. Number 2. KitchenAid 30-inch Radiant Electric Cooktop. In the world of cooking, having the right tools is crucial, and the KitchenAid 30-inch Radiant Electric Cooktop is the perfect choice for those who demand both style and performance in their kitchen. This 30-inch electric cooktop effortlessly combines timeless style with powerful performance, making it an ideal addition to any kitchen. With a range of features that cater to various cooking techniques, it ensures that your culinary endeavors are both efficient and enjoyable. This high-performance element provides a constant supply of power, ensuring even heat distribution across your cookware. Equipped with a simmer setting, it's perfect for delicate tasks such as melting chocolate or butter without the risk of scorching. Even heat element 6-inch with melt setting, ideal for tasks that require gentle, low-temperature heating. The melt setting guarantees that your ingredients won't burn or overcook, ensuring culinary perfection. Versatility at its best. Number 3. Frigidaire Gallery 30-inch Electric Cooktop. The Frigidaire Gallery 30-inch Electric Cooktop is a sleek and versatile addition to your kitchen, designed to expand your cooking possibilities and bring convenience and safety to your culinary adventures. The Frigidaire Gallery 30-inch Electric Cooktop is a fusion of style and functionality, offering a range of features that cater to your cooking needs and enhance your kitchen's aesthetics. With 5 distinct burner elements, this cooktop provides you with ample space to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. Whether it's a family dinner or a gathering with friends, you'll have the flexibility you need. 2 space-wise elements can adjust in size to accommodate the diameter of your cookware. This flexibility ensures that your pots and pans are in perfect harmony with the heating elements, optimizing cooking efficiency. The easy-to-use front control knobs offer precision in regulating heat output. You can effortlessly transition from a gentle warm setting to a vigorous boil, giving you complete control over your culinary creations. Safety is a top priority with this cooktop. The hot surface indicators will alert you when the cooking elements are still too hot to touch, ensuring a safe cooking environment for you and your family. The Frigidaire Gallery Electric Cooktop is designed to fit above most wall ovens, creating a seamless and sophisticated appearance in your kitchen. This streamlined design adds a touch of elegance to your cooking space. Number 4. LG 36-inch Electric Cooktop. The LG 36-inch Electric Cooktop, featuring smooth touch controls and steady heat technology, is a culinary masterpiece that will revolutionize your cooking experience. One of the standout features of the LG 36-inch Electric Cooktop is its user-friendly smooth touch controls. With just a touch, you can activate and control your cooking elements. This centralized electronic control panel allows you to see which heating element is in use at a glance. Whether you're an experienced chef or a cooking novice, these controls make cooking a breeze. The smooth surface is easy to clean, ensuring that your cooktop always looks its best. Cooking is an art, and to create culinary masterpieces, you need precise control over your heat settings. LG's steady heat technology ensures that the cooking elements deliver constant heat at any temperature, allowing for more precise control. Number 5. Bosch Benchmark Electric Cooktop. The Bosch Benchmark Electric Cooktop, part of the 800 series, is designed to make cooking a joy, not a frustration. Bosch cooktops are renowned for their commitment to delivering perfect results with minimal effort. Whether you're a fan of induction, gas, or electric cooking, every Bosch cooktop is designed to combine simplicity with intuitive usability. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.